dirtied everything that I found. This ain't no difference, look at you now. And baby, cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night. Playing it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. You keep me up every night. You keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Now you know everything that I am. Caught in the palm, no backup plan. So baby, cut yourself loose. Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sunny smile from ear to ear. And baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
So we're just back from the local brick hall. We've managed to get everything we need to start getting the terrace worked on now as well. We've got family arriving this week, which is going to be amazing because, again, just many hands make light work. So we're going to look at getting all the border down in the terrace, get that all mapped out and finished, which is going to be phenomenal. So we've been and picked up a couple of ton of sand today, some cement. We've still got some border blocks. We will have to go back for some more next week, but it means that we can get started. While we've been doing that, everyone's just cracking on now with the cottage, making that look amazing, and I'll show you what everyone's up to. Hey Rob. How's
Hello.
things going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. What are you up to?
Oh, painting these little crossbars.
And we went to get them from Paddy yesterday.
We did.
He's made some little crossbars for us to go on the cottage windows, which means that these windows will match the windows here. So they'll look just a little bit more in keeping, and it'll keep everything just looking nice and neat. And even just seeing the white, the first coat of white on there, it's brightened up the whole cottage, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, over there, yeah.
It's looking unreal. And while Rob's doing this, Terry, what are you up to?
I'm the carpenter for today.
You're the carpenter today.
So I'm just cutting all of these down so they actually fit in properly. So because the windows go in at a bit of an angle, we have to do a 10-degree chamfer on each side, and you have to get it exact to fit in.
That sounds too complicated for me to be able to do.
So I've cut one so we can see if it fits.
Come on then.
So these will go on like that, and we'll have just there. We'll have another one about there.
So there'll be like mini chateau windows.
Mini chateau windows.
Look amazing. Look
Yeah.
really good.
I think it will really transform the front when we do stuff like that. Like, it already looks so much better having them painted white. But I think just adding these on, it'll just break up those long windows because they look a bit sort of modern like that.
Yeah.
So
It'll just bring it back into keeping, won't it?
yeah. So I'm just on cutting these. My mum's on with more painting.
More painting.
Tracy Fair, how's it going?
Finished nearly. This is the last coat of gloss. Thank God.
It looks so different, doesn't it, when you walk
Yeah,
up to
look
the
it.
actual cottage
Yeah,
itself now?
It just looks so different. When the front's painted and the scaffolding comes down,
It's just
then
going to be a
you'll see
different
how
building,
good
isn't it?
it'll be, yeah. I can't wait.
But it's looking good.
It's looking good.
We're going to get around the back prep this afternoon as well, so we can start getting the border down for when everyone arrives. So let's crack on.
Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, skull swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. Brass rings in the center and a wind with a red sunset going down. There's no lines on a gravel road, riding where nobody goes. And I'm addicted to his leather and smoke. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, gold swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. He is my nicotine, I'm his desert queen. Worn out bandana tied around my neck. Call it Bonnie and Clyde, a modern day ride or die. And I'm convicted, 25 to life. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, gold swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. Give me a black motorcycle. We damn sure know where we've been, but we don't know where we're going. We damn sure know where we've been, but we don't know where we're going. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, gold swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. Give me a black
Well, as you've seen, the cottage is getting a facelift, and that's only really to match Tracy because she's looking so wonderful, and that's thanks to the sponsor of today's show, which is the UFO3 by Foreo Sweden. Now, we've worked with them for nearly a year now, and the results have been absolutely incredible. It is such a superb product, and Tracy loves it, and loads of you keep saying why she looks so good, and we know loads of you have bought them, so thank you so much for supporting us and supporting the channel by buying these products, because it is amazing. Now, the reason for the UFO3 is there's so many, again, cool features in it. The thermo technology and the cryo technology, you will visibly see a reduction in wrinkles in a week, and we're not just saying it, we've seen it happen in front of our eyes. Just by using the product for 2 minutes, you'll increase the moisture in your skin by 126%, and that's a massive amount in comparison to what you'd normally do in your daily routine, and it takes 2 minutes. It is literally so quick, so easy, through the app. Tracy pops it on, she does it for 2 minutes. It's quicker than what her normal routine was, and the results have been incredible. So check out the link in the description. We've got a special code for you, which is Restoring 10. Now, everyone gets 30% off for clicking the link in the description and buying it through that, but you get an extra 10% off by using our link, and it's only for the first 50 customers that use the code Restoring 10. So check them out, and we're going to go and get some more work done.
Sometimes it feels like these old ways are hanging on like wax, dripping off a candle, burning slow. These days and dragging on, dragging on. Oh Lord, sometimes these days I don't know. Yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my rear view mirror. I could slide back to those wild days, make my way back to those simple times, but I'll keep standing by the highways on these lonely roads, begging like a poor man, begging like a poor man. Yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my rear view mirror. There's villains filling up my head space, and worries and doubts running circles around my soul. It's funny living in this tight place, something not living in these days. All I know is yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking looking, Lord, help me stop looking at my rear mirror.
Now you've got to see this. This is looking amazing. So we look here and now we look there and look at that. It has completely changed. The whole building just feels, it feels like it's been built for Tracy, and it's going to bring everything, it's just going to bring everything together, tie everything in. And it, as you can see, she's still up there. She's got the last coat of paint going on right now, and it really has transformed. And I know, like, I was out for the day yesterday, so I was out, came back, and to see it like this and to actually arrive here, it feels magnificent. It feels like a home. It doesn't just feel like a barn or a stable or anything like that. And it looks like a home as well. And just with the batons on the way it ties into the chateau windows as well, the difference that's made, it really has. It's made it feel posh and elegant and really nice. So we're absolutely over the moon with it. There's still work to be done. We're testing out some different line washes right now to see what we like, see what ties in, see what colour Tracy's happy with, really, because this is her house and it needs to be something that she's going to have to live with it. So we'll wait and see what Tracy likes. So we're going to try a few more out and we'll see where we go from there. But again, another amazing episode. So much work getting done everywhere, and like I say, we've got family here now as well, so it's just going to be brilliant, and loads more getting on with stuff. So hope you've enjoyed it. We're loving it. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you got the bell clicked for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.